Hello everyone, I'm Alex. In this video, we are going to discuss about structural abnormalities of chromosomes. Structural abnormalities of chromosomes. So in the previous video, we discussed about the abnormalities of chromosomes, chromosomal abnormalities. That is two types, numerical and structural. In the numerical, so there is an increase in number of chromosomes or a increase in number of set of chromosomes we have seen. Increase in number of chromosomes is called aneuploidy. Increasing one or two or increase or decreasing number of chromosomes, aneuploidy you will say. This is called polyploidy, means increase in or decrease in set of chromosomes. That is about numerical number. If there is any abnormality in terms of number, okay, instead of 23 pairs, if it is more than 23 pairs or less than 23 pairs, it means more than 46 or less than 46 means there is a abnormality in numerical. Okay, today we are going to see the structural abnormalities. In the there is a change in structure of chromosome. So before moving to the structural abnormalities, okay, first of all we need to know the what are the types of chromosomes and what is the structure of chromosome. Okay, so if you see this chromosome, this time drawing my drawing is very poor. Okay, imagine this is a normal human chromosome. So this is a centromere, the center part, which is joins the two sets of sister chromatids. These two are sister chromatids. Okay, this is a P arm. This is a Q arm. Okay, like this. So how the this types of chromosomes will be there. So based on the position of the centromere, the chromosomes are divided. Okay, based on the position of the centromere, the chromosomes are divided into four types. Okay, into four types. What are those? I will write here types of chromosomes. Four. First one, metacentric metacentric chromosome. It means exactly the position of the centromere is in the center. Okay, position of the centromere is in the center and the upper arms and lower arms are in equal position. It means metacentric. Next type, submetacentric. Submetacentric chromosome means the position of the chromosome is just above. Okay, imagine this is a centromere. I am just drawing one arm for your exam understanding purpose. So this is a long arm, this is a short arm. Okay, just the position of the centromere just above the um, lower arm. Okay, upper arm is short, lower arm is long. Okay, that is called submetacentric. Next one is acrocentric. Acrocentric chromosome. Here what is happening? Same centromere. Okay, upper arm is short, very short, lower arm is very short, okay, long. So this is acrocentric. And fourth one, telocentric. Telocentric. Okay. Here what is happening? Centromere is present at the top of the lower arm. Okay. So these are the types of chromosomes. Okay. If any abnormalities in this type of, usually this said telocentric is not present in humans. Okay. So these are the three types we will see: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric. If any abnormalities in this structure of the chromosomes of a human body, then you can say chromosomal abnormalities. What are those? We'll see. Okay, structural abnormalities of chromosomes. So here structural abnormalities, we have four types: deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation, and another types insertion also is there. Five types. Okay, what is happening in deletion means loss of a portion of a chromosome. Okay, so what is happening in the name itself suggesting there is a loss of portion of a chromosome is called a deletion of a abnormality, deletion of chromosome. Imagine, just I am drawing an example. Okay, this is uh, start like, just for simple understanding I am writing like this on a horizontal way. Imagine this is a chromosome, centromere A, these are like genes B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Imagine like this, normal one. Okay, normal. But here, what is happening in deletion? Terminal deletion, like a terminal deletion. Okay, C, D, E, A, B, C, D. Okay, what happened? Here this E missed, here AB missed. So there is some part of the chromosome and the terminal ends is missing. That is called deletion. Okay, terminal deletion. Or suppose if something is missing in the center, okay, interstitial. Suppose if something is missing in the center, that is called interstitial deletion. Two types will be there. Alright, terminal deletion, interstitial. Okay, in this center. Okay, this is part of chromosome is missing is called deletion. Duplication means same like, for your understanding I am writing like this. Okay, duplication, there is a extra piece of chromosome is present, like suppose A B C D, A B C D. So what is happening? A B, again A B C D. Okay, A, B, C, C, D, like this. Some duplication of the portion of the chromosome is repeating. Okay, okay, that is called duplication. That is a structural abnormality. Inversion, it is a fragmentation of the chromosome followed by reconstruction with a section inverted. Same like duplication, what is happen? A, B, again like B, A, C, D. Inversion, okay, in a opposite way. Okay, A, B, again B, A, C, D, like this. Okay, that is the inversion. Translocation. Translocation, you will have a Robertsonian translocation and reciprocal translocation, like two types. Robertsonian reciprocal translocation. It is happening transfer of chromosome and a segment of it to a non-homologous chromosome. Like imagine is the chromosome. Okay, it's completely. Okay, this is a different type of chromosome. Centromere. Okay, here you have another chromosome. Okay, So imagine like this, two chromosomes are there. Okay, so in translocation what is happening, some portion of the transfer of a chromosome or a segment of it to a non-homologous chromosome. From here some portion is transferring to another chromosome. Okay, imagine this came here. Some portion of this chromosome came here. Okay, translocation, or what happened, complete one portion is this one portion is another one. Okay, complete one arm is changing, segment or a portion of the chromosome is transferring from one part to the another part. That is called translocation of chromosome. Insertion means same, like somewhere it is fitting some of the part coming here and there. So these are the structural abnormalities of the chromosome. Okay, I hope you understood.